All right, we made it back from the burn. Wow, it was pretty amazing. So fun. Probably one of the top 5 in 27. So really stoked about that, but definitely have some cleanup to do. So I thought we'd shoot a quick cleanup video, show you how to get all this mud off and what products to use and all that kind of thing. So here we go. As you can tell, there's a lot of mud stuck on everything. First thing we're gonna do is get it all set up and staged. Get all your equipment out and ready so you can just bang through every step and not have to go searching for stuff. The key is gonna be getting the playa off of the fabric and out of the zippers. That's going to be really important because clean zippers work, muddy zippers don't. So let's see. First thing to do is get your sound boxes out and get some good tunes going. Get your products lined up and ready. And then the other thing is get all the big chunks of mud off. The cool thing about this is you can actually anonymously mail this to your friends later, and they'll really appreciate it. Everybody loves a good chunk of playa after they're all cleaned up. Anyway, just kidding. So there are a lot of different products right now for protecting fabric. 303 is what we really like, the 303 fabric guard. But there are other fabric guards out there. Make sure and read the labels. I'm not a big fan of Teflon. It's not good to breathe that stuff. And just make sure you're using good quality products that work right and also aren't super bad health hazards. And always wear a mask if you're going to do this stuff and spray inside. You can use the enzyme mildew protector to keep the mildew down. These units have been in the back of the truck for about 6 days now, 7 days now. They don't stink. There's no mildew, no mold. You can typically go a week or 2 easy without any mold issues, but always good to keep them clean and then dry them out really, really well. We have a new product. We teamed up with a boat company, a marine company out of Florida called Xanago, and we have our own mildew prevention and cleaning kit that we love. Comes with a brush and a rag and a bunch of good stuff in there for preventing mildew, and up to a year, I think, with one application. So there's that. And then we also, when we're done and everything's dry, we pack up with these silicone dioxide gel desiccant packs that absorb all the rest of the moisture. We also use this product called Liquifix. We buy it in bulk, that's why it's in a spray bottle, but Liquifix is a really good product for bringing the fabric back to super shiny and also lubricating the zippers in between uses. Anyway, there you go. Pressure washer. You do not want to use a pressure washer if you don't know what you're doing. You really want to get this foam on first, let it soak, and then very lightly from a distance use the pressure washer to knock everything off. If you use a pressure washer too closely, you will take the metallic coatings off of this fabric. So be very, very careful. The other thing that you might want to do at some point, and it's good to do every year, when you fold your SHIFTPOD up, this seam is what gets stretched out and will cause future leaks. So every once in a while, hit it with some Flex Seal Clear, rub it in, spray it on, rub it in, massage it into the cracks, and then wipe it all off. Try not to make a mess. Wipe it off before it dries, and it'll seal up all of these seams and keep them factory fresh. Anyway, I'm gonna get into it now, but one more little recap. Vinegar first, a little bit of soft soap detergent, dishwashing soap or Bronner's, and apply that. Put that into a bucket and apply it with a foaming nozzle. So you spray it all over everything with a nozzle like this. Let it soak. The alkalinity will be broken by the acidic vinegar, and you'll have to look online to figure out how much to add. I think it's like I don't know, a cup to a 5-gallon bucket is what I use. So you can spray that on the outside, you can spray it on the inside. I take the floors out to clean everything, obviously. And then the floors, I knock all the dirt and dust and everything off of them. And then I'll take them to an industrial washing machine at a laundromat and wash them that way. Do not put them into a dryer or they will turn into a plastic basketball. They'll melt and it's no fun. I did that to a friend Gino's tent that he lent me 20 years ago to go to Burning Man, and I had to buy him a whole new tent. So don't do that. The tunnels, same washing instructions as the SHIFTPODs. And yeah, the other key thing is clean up your mess when you're done so your neighbors don't hate you. Anyway, have fun, happy burn, and we'll talk to you later. Take care.